Yeah, hi. Welcome to the next session. In this session, we will talk about Dubai Land Department, what are its objectives and what do they do, and also about RERA. Let me start with Dubai Land Department. Now, Dubai Land Department is a part of Dubai government. It was formed in 1960, even before the formation of UAE. See, the basic objective of Dubai Land Department is to record all the transactions in a systematic manner and to protect the interest of the owners. So basically, all the properties, whether it is land, apartment, villa, or whatever kind of property which exists in Dubai, is owned by a person. It could be an individual or it could be a company. So what Dubai Land Department does is it records all the owner details, property details in a systematic manner so that there is no duplication. So it is the only body which is authorized to record the transactions and keep all the information about properties and owners. So its main objective is to organize and document all the transactions. Now, as an agent, we will be involved either in a sale transaction or in a rental transaction. Now, in case of a sale, again, both sale and rental, the documentation is done by Land Department, the final documentation. See, the output of a sale transaction is a title deed. So title deed is issued by Land Department and it has all the information about property and the owner. Let me show you a title deed. Please see it on the screen and I will read or explain the contents of title deed. So this is the only document which shows that a particular property is owned by whether it is individual or a company and their details. Now, look at the important elements of a title deed. The date when it was issued. Then, if there is a mortgage on the property. So, looking at the title deed, you will be able to inform or know whether there is a loan or a mortgage on the property. And what is the property type? It also gives details about the unit number, which floor in case of apartment, which community, and property number, floor number, etc., etc. So the important aspect or important information in a title deed, okay, all of it is important, but as an agent, what is most crucial is whether it is mortgaged, what is the unit number, what is the size. Size, again, it mentions about suite area, balcony area in square feet as well as square meter. And then it gives owner's number and the share. Every owner, every property owner in Dubai has a unique number. So the number is mentioned on the title deed along with their name. And then it also gives information about if this owner, like from whom he bought and at what price he bought the property. So that all information also is given. So basically, the current owner and the previous owner, both the informations are mentioned. Now at the bottom, if you see, there is a barcode and it has a title deed number and the year in which the title deed was issued. This is very critical. When you want to verify a title deed, like whether it is a genuine title deed or not, this is the number. It is again a unique number which you will enter in the system along with the year. Then the Dubai Land Department system will let you know if this title deed is valid or invalid. So you must know everything about the title deed, and the most important is the unique title deed number along with the year. So you can either scan it using the Dubai Land Department application, or you can enter the information manually and verify it. Now, how to verify this, we will see in one of the sessions where we will talk about Dubai Land Department application REST. So that will be at a later stage. For now, what we need to understand is Dubai Land Department is the only body which has all the information or which records all the information, and title deed is the document which shows the ownership of a particular property. The second type of transaction where an agent gets involved is leasing or rental. So a rental transaction again is recorded by Dubai Land Department, and the output is Ijari. Please have a look at your screen for how a Ijari looks like. So it is the tenancy contract information registration certificate. So basically all the information about the property, the owner, the lessor, and the tenant is recorded in Ijari. So if you look at the certificate, it has a contract number, and that's a unique contract number. And then it has owner information where owner's name, mobile number, email ID, nationality is mentioned. And then the second column is lessor. Many times property owners give property for management to companies. So when a company is managing, then the lessor information will be different from the owner information. If the owner themselves are managing, then there's no information in lessor. And then tenancy contract details. When the tenancy start date is there, when is the end date, what is the contract amount, if there is any discount on the tenancy. So all that information is mentioned in tenancy contract details. Then tenant information. So basically information about or information of tenant like name, again mobile number, passport expiry, Emirates ID, etc. is mentioned there. And then the property details. So these are the information which are recorded again by Dubai Land Department. So in brief, Land Department is responsible for recording transactions. First one is ownership, second one is tenancy. And both the certificates are issued by Land Department. Again, Dubai Land Department is part of Government of Dubai. Now let's see RERA. RERA stands for Real Estate Regulatory Agency. It's part of Dubai Land Department. See, before 2007, I've been in this business from 2005. So everything was controlled either by Dubai Land Department or by developers. Developer used to issue sale purchase agreement and it was not registered in Land Department. So in 2007, His Highness came up with the formation of RERA. So basically it is a regulatory agency which regulates all the companies in Dubai related to real estate. Whether it is real estate broker, whether it is real estate developer, whether it is owners association, whether it is a training institute, all these companies are regulated by RERA. RERA is a nodal agency that formulates, regulates, manages and licenses various real estate related activities in Dubai. It was established in 2007 by His Highness. Then it envisages a transparent and effective regulatory environment in which various entities pertaining to real estate can conduct their business. So for example, a brokerage company, when they want to start, they will get a license from economic department, but then they need permission from RERA. So RERA will issue a permission that yes, you can establish a real estate brokerage license or you can get it. And then that permission is given, like submitted to economic department, which will issue the license. Same way, a developer, when they launch a project, they need to register the project with RERA. Again, it is part of a regulatory measure. Before 2007, there were no regulations. Like developer used to buy a plot without fully paying for the plot. They used to launch, collect the money in their own account. And then like sometimes they used to use this money to buy another plot. So there was no regulation controlling how the developers would operate. So that's when this RERA came. Now, as an agent, it is mandatory that you undergo a training provided by RERA and be certified or get that license to work as an agent. So please have a look at this screen, how a RERA license looks like. It has the information about the person, It's just like a driving license. It's a license to work as an agent. It has the name and a unique number is given for every license, and it also mentions the company name for which the agent can work, and also it gives various activities an agent is licensed to work, like for example sales brokerage, rental brokerage, management. So at Blue Chip, we have these three activities within our license, and the same activities get passed to the agent. So you can do a brokerage of sale transaction, rental, as well as manage the properties. Now, what are the duties of RERA in Dubai? I will just go through the duties, the main duties of RERA. One is registering real estate brokers and operations in Dubai. Again, as I said, the company as well as the agents, both are registered and regulated by RERA. So if you do anything wrong and then somebody complains to RERA about you, an agent is fined 50,000 dirham. So again, that is by RERA. So RERA regulates how you can do the business. Basically, their objective is to make the business transparent and ethical. Now, it also regulates real estate developers' trust account. Now, when a developer launches the project and when they start selling and collecting the money, they cannot collect the money and use it as they like. So there is a trust account, which is again regulated by RERA. So all the money through sales goes to trust account, and from there RERA decides how the money will get distributed. So a developer is not entitled to take that money. This is again for financial discipline and to protect the investors who are buying the properties. Then registration and oversight of leases, the one which we have seen, like Ijaris. Monitoring the owner association in charge of various properties in the Emirates. Owner associations who are responsible for operational of a building, again, are regulated by RERA. Publishing research for the real estate industry. RERA publishes all the, like, they do a lot of survey and publish all the outcome of the survey to real estate agents and real estate developers and investors. Then granting permits for real estate shows to encourage national involvement in the Emirates real estate market. So exhibitions are also regulated by RERA. Educating the public about the laws that apply to purchasing or renting real estate. So again, they also give all the information to the general public about renting or buying of a property. So these are some of the main duties which RERA performs. So again, RERA is a part of Dubai Land Department. Dubai Land Department is a part of Dubai government. So together they control and operate and make sure that the transparent of real estate transactions in Dubai are transparent. Thank you so much.